Here is a wonderful 2019 BMW 325i. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer. The 3 Series sedan delivers a unique blend of powerful performance, agile handling, and intelligent style. No wonder it's considered a legend among sports sedans. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Don't miss the opportunity to possess a motorsport legend. Get into the 3 Series sedan.